Hello, everybody. We took some time to tune our ukuleles, all right? If yours is not in tune, it's actually okay for this exercise. Your string does not have to be in tune to do what we're going to do today. However, I do want you to practice tuning your ukulele today, okay? All right. Okay, so let's do this. So today we're going to talk about the strings of the ukulele. Some of this I've kind of talked to you before, but I want to make sure we're on the same page. And tuning, in order to tune your ukulele, you have to know the strings, all right? So a lot of you are asking me, what's that string again? What's that string again? So that's what we're going over today, all right? And the frets. All right, so let's get started. Huzzah. All right, let me move this down. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so again, I'm going to stand up. Forgive me as I get all situated. All right, so again, you have 4 strings of the ukulele, right? Okay, and what's interesting is so the guitar goes from the lowest string to the highest string, okay? But the ukulele does not. The ukulele is G, so it's a higher string, then the lowest string, then it goes up. Listen again. Okay. All right, so the first string is the one farthest away from you. Let's see. All right, and that's A. Okay, so we're going to start with A. All right, so A is the string. So if you hold it like this with your left hand here and your right hand here on the body, okay? It'll look opposite for you watching me or whatever. That's A. So everybody play your A. Ready? Play your A. Good. And if it's a little too low, you'll kind of know, like, oh, I need to tune it. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to play, see the rhythm on the bottom? It's A, 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 A. So on your own, practice that rhythm. Notice I'm not holding the strings, okay? I'm just playing. Okay? All right, that's A. All right, it also says to pluck with your index finger. I did it with my thumb. You can practice with your index finger, it's fine. I strum with my thumb, so I don't really know why, but that's okay. All right. All right, now let's play this pattern. Ready? So it's just quarter, 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 rest. Now when I rest, I have to stop the resonating strings, right? So I just put my hand over the strings. I go, right? Okay, that helps me rest. Okay? That's it. You can practice. Go ahead, practice. Good. Good job. That's it. All right, so let's look at our second string. All right, so our second string is E. Okay? All right, so we're not talking about this one we just played, but the one right next to it should be E. So go ahead and play your E. Okay. All right. That's what E looks like. I'm sorry, I'm covering it. That's what E looks like. Okay? All right, I disappeared. You're like, where'd she go? I'm a magician. All right, so now let's play this pattern. So it says quarter, 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 quarter. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you. So it's just quarter, 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 quarter. Quarter, 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 quarter. You can also practice it. You can do it with your index finger. You can practice all of them. It's not gonna hurt. Okay, so that's E. All right, so let's play this pattern. Ready? Listen. So it's quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter, rest. Quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter, rest. All right, so practice that rhythm. Okay. All right. I want to make this a little bit bigger. Can I make you bigger? Peas? Peas? Oh, well, I won't mess with it. Okay. All right, now we're almost there. The third string is C. C. Okay, middle C. Okay, good. I hear it. You're doing really well. All right, so let's do this rhythm. So it's quarter, quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter. Okay. Yeah, good job. Excellent. All right, here's one more. So this is another rest. So we just go quarter, 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 rest. Good job. All right, now your fourth string is the one very closest to you, and that's G, the one you tuned first. So G. Yeah. Okay. All right, so let's try this pattern. Ready? So we go quarter, quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter. All right, got it? All right, one more rhythm. You guys are doing great. So we're gonna go eighth, so it's eighth, 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 quarter, rest. I'm sorry, don't talk. Eighth, 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 quarter, rest. All right. Now, let's try some strings. Okay, so A, E, E, E. So find A, here's A, okay? And then the second string over is E, right? So we're gonna go A, E, 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 A, E, E, E. That's it, good job. Excellent, there's a pattern. Here's your next pattern. So it's E, E, A, rest. E, E, A, rest. E, E, A, rest. E, E, A, E, E, A. Okay? That's it. Sounds great. Okay? Now make up your own pattern with those two strings. Okay, just make up one. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'll look at it. Let's look at it break, okay? Cool? I'll check it out. Thank you, Matthew. Okay, so make up your own pattern. Like I'm gonna go. All right, cool. Excellent. All right, so here's your next one. So now we're gonna go C, C, G, C, C, G. So do the middle one. C, C, G, rest. C, C, G, C, C, G. All right, everybody try it. C, C, G, C, C, G, C, C, G, C, C, G. Make sure you're playing C. C, C, G, C, C, G, C, C, G, C, C, G. Good. Okay, now we're gonna go G, G, C, 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 G, G, C, C, C. Good. Okay. Now make up your own pattern. Whatever pattern you want. Just play. Okay. All right. Here's a silly thing. a cool way to remember, this is going backwards, not starting with G, but starting with A. Aardvarks eat cool grass. Aardvarks eat cool grass. Now, I don't really care what you use to remember, but you can certainly remember this. Aardvarks eat cool grass. Whatever. Okay. All right. So, aardvarks eat cool grass. All right. Whatever helps you remember is totally fine. Okay. Hold on. Is that? Okay. Now, we're going to do the next one. I didn't do that right. So, yay, team. Yay, team. Did I just say share? Hold on. I'm sorry. Un momento. All right. Share. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Give me 1 second. There we go. Okay. Now, let's talk about frets. Let's talk about frets. Let's talk about frets. Okay, here we go. All right. So, it's funny because we just had a few of you talking about frets and how frets work. So it's awesome that you're already there talking about it. All right, I'm going to move this. Okay. So one of the ways to play ukulele is to pluck the melody. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of that before we start learning chords, just a little bit. All right, so to pluck a melody, you can do a combination of these two things. So you can you can just do open string, or you can put your finger between the frets. So you see the little metal bars, right? So when you press a fret, you go between the metal bars, not on them. That's not right. This is incorrect. This is correct. This is not right. This is right. Got it? Okay? So what I want you to do right now is just practice. Go on a string, any string you want, and just pluck it and then press in between the frets. Ready? Let's go ahead and try it. Explore it. You can do it on any string. Good. Okay? Now, let's find the frets. All right, so again, fret is the raised piece of metal on the ukulele, just like we talked about. All right, when your teacher, whoever that is, wait, is that me? Oh my gosh, calls out a fret number, put your finger on that fret. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's see, when we play the melody on the ukulele, we don't actually touch the middle fret, we just talked about that. Okay, so let's do the first fret. So this is the first fret. That's the first one. Let's do it on A. Doesn't really matter, but let's just do it on A for fun. All right, so first fret, hold it down, okay? All right, and then just play it. Good, okay? Now let's do the second fret. Second fret. So go down one. Okay. Third fret. Good. I don't know why I just went to fourth. Okay, now fourth fret. That's it. Good job. Okay. All right. Now just go to the second fret again. Good. Look at it. So we're going to pluck that melody. We're going to learn hot cross buns. I know that's all your jams. You go home and you're like, hot cross buns, just like that. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. And that's how you sing it too, because you're good. All right, so you're going to learn a little hot cross buns. Okay, so one thing you know, and everyone stop playing for a second. All right, so if you were to sing hot cross buns, you have mi, re, do, rest. Mi, re, do, rest. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. Okay? That is the idea of hot cross buns. It's not a hard song. It's why it's one of the first songs you learn how to play. It's very easy. Plus, who doesn't like some nice hot cross buns? Yum. Oh my gosh, this is like moving Zoom pictures. Okay, so now we're going to play the song on the frets. Okay? Solfa means solfege, means do, re, mi, y'all. All right, so you ready? Okay, so do you see those numbers, everybody, on the screen? Everybody see the numbers where it has 420, 420, 00, 222, 420. That's the fret. Okay, 0 means you don't hold down a fret. 0 means it's open. Okay, 4 means you're going to go 4 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes like this. 4, right? Okay, then 2 is 2, and then open. So watch me play it. That's how you play it. Did everyone see that? Here's the cool thing. It doesn't matter which string you use, as long as you're plucking the string that you're holding down the front. Everybody, try it. And once you learn out on one string, try the next string. Now, what might be easier is to put your fourth finger here. So notice I could go 4, 2, open. Sorry, it's hard for me to see. Okay. All right, so one thing you're going to practice, your first sign off is literally going to be this. I'm going to show you what it is, but your first sign off is not until Friday. Okay? Friday to Monday. All right, so you got time, but your first sign off is going to be a flip grid of you literally, I'm going to see if I can show you. All right, can you hear it now? Okay, I'm going to go up. There's me playing. And then I just do the next string. Okay. Okay, and you can watch this. It's on the thing. You can watch it. You can practice to me. That's why I have it up there for you to practice to. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's what we did today for you guys. All right. So you are practicing. You're going to practice that. Literally, you can just watch the video or just do it on your own. I don't care. Practice. Make sure it's in tune, and then practice hot cross buns on each string. Okay, it's the same fret, so it's not like you have to do anything different on the strings. And then listen to the new podcast and then just fill out the form.